Received a FWD email file and not sure how to open it? These are forwarded email messages saved as standalone files from various email clients. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these forwarded email message files. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the FWD error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. A .fwd file is typically an email message that has been saved to a computer, often from an email client like Microsoft Outlook or Apple Mail. Users create these files to archive a forwarded conversation. The primary goal is to open and read the contents of the original email, including text and attachments. This is not a standardized format. It is often a plain text, TXT, or rich text, RTF file containing the headers and body of the forwarded email. The internal structure is simple and human-readable, reflecting a basic save as operation, rather than a structured, application-specific design. The proprietary opener for the FWD file structure is typically Microsoft Outlook by Microsoft Corporation. The simple text-based structure is handled poorly by standard Windows applications. Windows provides only a simplified view, so full access relies on email-aware tools. To resolve the conflict, we need to test installed programs. Right-click your FWD file and choose Open With. Attempt to open it with Microsoft Outlook if it is present. Otherwise, try another tool from the list. When a FWD file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Let's get the technical grounding straight. Before we jump to the universal solution, let's look at the specific reasons this FWD file is failing to load. First, opening an email client. Launch your email client such as Microsoft Outlook, Mozilla Thunderbird, or Apple Mail, and use File Then Open or import functions to load the FWD file. The email client interprets the standard email format, displaying the message with proper formatting headers and attachment access. Reply forward or save attachments through normal email operations. Next, viewing in text editor. Since FWD files often use plain text email format, open them in Notepad or any text editor for raw inspection. Headers and message body display as readable text useful for analyzing forwarding chains or extracting specific content. Attachments appear as encoded blocks requiring decoding tools for actual file extraction from the message. Finally, converting to standard email. If the FWD file uses a non-standard format, convert it to standard email format using email conversion utilities. Tools like Aid4Mail or MailStore handle various email format conversions. Once in email format, the message opens in any modern email client, providing universal compatibility and easy access to message content and attachments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.